Hey everybody, how you doing? NASCAR Gander Truck Series Open at Auto Club Speedway in sunny California. I'll be in the UPS Ford F-150 number 23 truck today. I'm starting 9th in a field of 27. Race length is 60 laps, which equals 120 miles. Auto Club Speedway in sunny California is a 2-mile D-oval super speedway. Banking is 14 degrees in the turns. There's 11-degree banking on the front stretch and 3-degree banking on the back stretch. All right. Hey, it's been a while since I've been in a truck that didn't weigh 80,000 pounds and will go a little bit faster than 90 miles an hour. Here's my upgraded semi, a little bit of paint job. Been 2 weeks since I've been behind the wheel of the UPS Ford F-150. I decided not to run the road courses at all, any of the series last week. Spent some time working on that trucking simulator, kind of trying to find my groove there and figure some things out. I decided to qualify. There were over 100 trucks in the lobby. Oh, by the way, had an interesting incident during my solo practice. Let's take a look. All right, so 27 truck field, I decided to qualify. I'm in 9th here. I'll tell you what, this is a bumpy ass track. I don't know if I've ever actually ran a race here. I think I've done an AI, I'm not sure, but anyway. This steering wheel, force feedback, is working in my hands like I've never felt before. It is bumpy down the back stretch. You know, I'm sitting pretty low here at a 1652 I rating and a 365 safety rating. 23 seed truck. I was going to start in the back, then I thought, nope, you know what? Lately I've been qualifying and staying out of the back. So that, and actually a 9th place. I was sitting in 6th for the longest time, but 9th place on the inside. Using the VRS setup, it's bad loose for the first couple laps. I got to baby it through.
Yeah, 3 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run. Got
to baby it through the corners. And but everybody seems to be that way, kind of. I can't go flat all the way around. I'm not sure why, but anyway, 4 sets of tires, 60 laps. We're going to be able to get tires about every other lap here. Should be 2 full loads of fuel for the most part, I believe. Got someone starting on pit road here right next to me. Another one right there, and I think one dropped out due to connection issues. So. We got 2,600 I rating down to 1,600 I rating. So out of those 100 drivers, we've got 1,000 I rating swing in this split here, whatever this is. My guess is the third split. I have a feeling, big 2-mile track, that this is going to be one of those races, kind of like Chicago, Michigan, where things shake out in a couple laps and then you're doing glorified time trial laps and saving your tires and just clicking off the laps. Clicking off the laps, getting it done, and passing 1 or 2 trucks if they use their stuff up.
Green light.
Yep, sliding.
Outside. Still there. Clear outside.
Look how bumpy that is. Oh, we got one up here fighting the wheel. All right, lap 1 down.
48.858.
A couple of them going really high. I guess that's safe in these first few laps. All right, this is what looks like that light stuck on yellow, don't you think so? Yeah, everybody's working down to the bottom now after a couple laps, get a little heat in the tires. Let's sweep out to the wall. Got to be careful about that shadow. That shadow screws with your depth perception on the wall. See, that high line just doesn't seem to work for me. I've said that on several occasions. That truck behind me pulled right on up. Oh, must have been a self-spin.
Closed. Get behind him. Ready to go here. Stay focused, be smart. You guys have been doing a great job on pit road. Look for nothing other than that for the rest of the race. 1 minute 41.767. Should be on the outside.
Yeah, Chad demands nothing less than excellence. Quick note about pit road. Seems to be one of the easier pit roads to get on. You can dive down to it at the last possible moment. Just stand on the brakes, and the run in is so long, you get down to pit road speed pretty easy. Personally, not a whole lot's happened in the last 2 weeks. Iowa went through a really bad cold snap like the rest of the Midwest did in the center part of the country, down to 30 below wind chills at times. Had no issues, no water pipes freezing or nothing like that. Just spent a lot of time inside playing my truck simulator game. On the outside here, I got to be concerned about somebody spinning coming up. But it should be a low, slow, lazy spins.
Pace cars off. Are you ready? Green flag. One minute 38.347. Set. Still there. Quarter. Still there. Two inside. Still there. Here's the fifth.
Go up there and burn up your tires.
Still there. Inside clear.
All right, big gap now. .851.
41.635. Outside. Still outside. Still out there. Awesome.
That's how you do that. It's called a crossover. You're right there with them, but doing a great job. Little slide, little slide. Tires are really coming to their own here now. No, it's stuck, but I couldn't, he powered out on the outside. I think we're going to be able to get to 6, though.
Outside, 42.118.
Well, the leaders have not checked out too bad. Ooh, big move.
42.006.
Might be able to get Elon here.
Working the outside. Clear. Outside. Still outside. Still out there. Still outside. Clear, clear, clear.
All right, picked off 3. Ooh, that was a big push. You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11. Another big move by the RC car.
42.3.
Everybody's pushing just a little bit now.
Outside. Outside. Quarter outside. Still there. Still outside. Wide outside. Still nothing open. Still there. Outside one. Outside one. Clear, clear.
Number 9, good move.
42.931.
Number 9 is on the move. If you can't follow him through. Hell yeah. Maybe. Maybe not. We got a lapper up here already. Up high. You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11.
You're coming. Outside. Clear if you need it. Outside. Still there. 42.86. Still out there. Clear high.
All right, so far so good.
0.014.
Ooh, big push. Let me change my entry into that corner. I got him coming in too late. Gotta squirt it off just a little bit. lap 3 and 4 down here pretty good. Well, that felt slow, but it felt also good.
Outside. Still outside. 42. 0.886. Still out there. Awkward.
All right, that's put me in 5th at the stripe. Okay, we're working lap 27. 6 gallons of gas to go, a little over 6. We're smelling a green flag stop.
.035. And boy, go get him, dude. Good job, man. Nice and solid. Okay, stuff.
Ooh, I don't have CrewChief going. Well, I'll take a full tank. That was piss poor corner.
.076.
Ooh. Yeah, see, I'm out high, and that truck behind me, number 8, is going to get a position. I have to stay down low. But I got it on the entry into 3 there. Yep, come on. I fucked up.
You're clear.
Halfway.
43.546. Outside. Still outside. And out. 1 car inside. Still inside. Clear. Inside. Still there. Still there. Clear. We're halfway in the race. 43.55. Outside. Clear, clear, clear.
I think it would have stuck, but you know what? We're not gonna. But us dicking around here, me and the 8, been kind of fun. The others have pulled right up to us, so. Got about 4 laps to go. He's coming in. And I was just going to say, I think I'm going to come in next time.
Faster.
Start looking for the sign. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Too far forward. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
All right. Open track. Remember, cold, hard tires. So just kind of run up. Go. See. This is ridiculous. Oh, for God's sakes, really?
Head through there, big girl. Let's go. 1 minute 42.166.
Son of a bitch, David. I went through that corner like that 100 times before on cold tires, right up in the middle. Little throttle lift and... Well, that was disappointing as hell for you. I'm sorry. At least I didn't get into a wreck. I self-spun myself. And my phone just fell off its holder because of the way this wheel's shaking. All right. Well,
Check your flag, my man.
that was a crapper. Did it to myself. Been a while since I
Good
fucked
job,
up
good
that
job
big,
on the road. Did a good job on
that
the track.
bad.
Sorry. We'll get these cars figured out.
Well, we'll see you at Homestead. Haven't been doing too good in the XFINITY as far as finishing. The Cup car's been actually, the truck and the Cup car's been where I've been doing the best so far. But we got XFINITY and the Cups at Homestead, so that was pretty piss poor. Well, thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.